Twin Flame side, this is going to be your reading for the week of October 25 to October 31. I will be looking at what's going on with you, what's coming towards you in the immediate future, the advice and the outcome. Please keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it may or may not completely resonate for you. So please take what resonates and leave the rest for others. Also remember that roles can be reversed, can be vice versa. So Twin Flames, let's get your angel message and the overall energy for this reading. As always, there's no extended for this reading because as always, I'm doing free full readings for the Twin Flames. So we have, wow, King of Cups. King of Cups, it says someone you can completely trust. A situation that is safe, a solid romantic relationship, hidden but well-intentioned emotions, a charitable benefactor seeing a counselor. Wow. This is you, Divine Masculine. King of Cups, someone who's capable of giving mature kind of love. Not a goofy love, but capable of true love. But I have the Three of Swords here. I don't know, someone is in a lot of pain here. Is it you, Divine Feminine? Maybe for some of you. So let's see what's going on with the Twin Flames love life. Wow. Three of Pentacles in reverse. That's good. That's nice to see in the reverse, right? But I have the Four of Wands here in reverse too. Four of Wands, this is my Twin Flame card. But Four of Wands could be talking about a committed relationship or, taking the next level of commitment. But in the reverse, it's the opposite of that, right? So let's see. So someone could be giving up on a committed relationship here. So let's see what's coming towards the Twin Flame in the immediate future. The Empress in reverse. Divine Feminine, you're in reverse. The advice for the Twin Flames, please. Ay, that's a lot. But I'm taking it because sometimes it's a complete story in itself. I don't have to clarify anymore. Sometimes. Most of the times, actually. Five of Cups, King of Cups again. This is you, Divine Masculine. Ten of Swords, Eight of Pentacles, Six of Cups. I am not yet done, but it came out. The outcome will be Eight of Cups and the Magician. Hierophant. Could be a Taurus. But I don't know. Divine Masculine, maybe you are married for some of you. For others of you, this could be something spiritual, The Hierophant, they talk about, your true purpose, your true path, spiritual guidance. So, I don't know. Divine Masculine, did you marry the wrong person for you? For some of you. And you betrayed the Divine Feminine for some of you. So now, the Divine Feminine is at a crossroad when it comes to you. Because they are not able or they are not going to make a decision about you until you tell them the whole truth. I feel like until you tell them the whole truth and you apologize to them and you express to them What they want is for you to open up, to fully open up your heart to them, starting with telling them the whole truth. That's what the Divine Feminine wants. For you to come towards them, to apologize also, to open your heart, to be emotionally, to show them emotional availability and vulnerability. I want to stop now. Can I stop now? Yeah, I'm going to stop now. Because otherwise this is going to be a very long reading. But I have the Empress here in the upright. So let's see. Let's start our reading. Three of Pentacles in reverse. I don't know who this is. Could be the both of you. But we'll see later when we clarify. And then the Four of Wands. So someone is giving up on the third party or on a third party situation. I feel like someone is not, investing anymore into the third party. Because or I don't know. Yeah, someone is standing up for themselves. They want to fight for something that they want. So I don't know. Someone is someone is giving up on a committed relationship here. Either that or someone is giving up on their twin flame. So let's see what's that about. Who is this? Could even be the both of you. So let's see. Three of Wands. So Divine Feminine, this is you. Three of Wands in the reverse. The Chariot in the reverse. So Divine Feminine, apparently this is you. You're giving up on the third party. You're not investing anymore. You're standing up for what you want. You're giving up on your twin flame. For some of you. For others of you, maybe you're giving up on a committed relationship. Either you're in a committed, well, there's third party here. So maybe with the fire sign for some of you. So maybe you're giving up on the third party, and also maybe you're giving up on a committed relationship. It could also be that you're giving up on the third party because you want you as I said, you want to stand up for what you want. And what you want, it could be what you want is a committed relationship. But maybe you're not getting it. That's why you're giving up. So let's see. One more, please. Ten of Pentacles. Two of Cups. Union. So the energy of union is here. There's a possibility for the both of you to come together. But I don't know, Divine Feminine, because you're still hurting. You haven't moved on from the past. I feel like. And then there is this, I don't know. But you're also ending something here. Maybe you're closing out a cycle here. Maybe a marriage. It is something that had already ended. Maybe it's an unfinished business. Yeah. Wow, that's confusing me. So yeah, so Four of Wands, right? In the reverse. So whatever the case may be, you're giving up on the third party and maybe also on a committed relationship, or could be the same as I said, maybe because you can't have the stability that you want with the third party. For some of you, in the past, you had a new beginning, you had a passionate beginning with someone, maybe with the divine masculine. I don't know, I don't see the divine masculine here. It's all your energy, divine feminine. So you had a new beginning in the past. It was very passionate for some of you. But you got tired of waiting for some of you. Maybe you don't see you don't see the possibility of having a future together with this person, whoever this may be for you. Maybe this is someone that lives afar from you. Could be a long distance relationship. Or maybe there's been an emotional distance for some of you. So yeah, now currently you're giving up. For some of you. But as I said, for some of you, this could be two people. For you, divine feminine. Maybe between an earth sign and a fire sign, doesn't have to be. If that is the case, if this is a third party, then you're giving up on the third party. You're also giving up on a committed relationship, breaking promises, breaking commitments with someone with this fire sign. So now, or in the near future, something here is, this is not easy for you to give up on. Whatever this is that you are giving up on, breaking commitments, either it's the same person or not, this is something that's not easy for you. This is challenging for you to do, because you can't move on. You're stuck, I feel like. But the thing is, it feels to me like this is something that needs to happen. This is divine intervention, believe it or not. You not being able to move forward is a divine intervention, I feel like. This could be a test of your strength. I feel like this is a test of your strength, a test of your faith. To test your strength, to test your faith, to test your trust in the divine. Wow, why? To give up, to abandon something that you have already invested a lot on, so that you can have this 10 of Pentacles. Because this is what the divine wants for you to have, 10 of Pentacles. A happy home life where there is security, abundance, stability. In the past, you abandoned it. You already abandoned it. Because you were the only one putting the work in. This is with the third party. So maybe in the past, This is what you wanted to have. The Ten of Pentacles with someone, maybe with the Divine Masculine. And you invested a lot on this. Most. You invested more, I feel like. Because as I said, it feels to me like you were the only one investing into it. Yeah. So you gave it up. You had to. So see, this was divine. This is divine intervention. So yeah. So moving on. 3, what's coming towards you is the Empress in reverse. Empress in reverse. You're not able to manifest. You're not in your power. You still have work to do. King of Cups, work to do on yourself, or you're not quite ready to step into your role as the Divine Feminine, as the Divine counterpart. Yeah, you're not ready. Not yet anyway. You still have work to do to get your wish fulfillment here, to get your happiness. So we have the Lovers, could be Gemini, Hangman, 8 of Swords, 4 of Pentacles, 3 of Pentacles again, third party. Someone here is going to be, I don't know, single. I just don't know if it's for the third party or because of the third party. Someone is going to be single. So I don't know, someone is waiting. You, Divine Feminine, you're waiting. You're being very guarded here. But there's a feeling here that because you want to have success. Or is this about your ego, Divine Feminine? Well, actually not. You want to have success and you are going to have it. There's going to be movement forward here. I don't know, Divine Feminine. Maybe this is the reason why you're in the reverse. Because you are going to be tested here. Here it is. A test of strength, a test of faith, a test of trust in the universe. Wow. That's why you're not ready to get yourself in alignment for this twin flame journey. You have to pass this test. You have to give up on the Divine Masculine. Or vice versa. I feel like. Or is it because you are giving up on the Divine Masculine? Let me see. Let's see where this goes, right? The Divine Masculine is showing us the King of Pentacles. King of Pentacles is the husband. Either the husband or a husband material. Someone who is dependable, reliable. Someone who's stable. So in the past, the Divine Masculine had also given up on something that they had already invested on. Could be about work, business, a committed relationship. because or is it but? So they gave up on something or someone in the past. Because they had to find their strength, their confidence, their trust, their self-worth. They had to find to believe that they are worthy of this very strong connection, this twin flame connection. So now or in the near future, yeah, the divine masculine is going to do it. I mean, this is what they need to do to spiritually grow up, to spiritually ascend, to do inner work, to do shadow work. And when they do that, they will realize this is strong connection, what this is about, or what kind of connection that they have with you, divine feminine, that this is a soul contract, a sacred journey. So they have to dive deep within their emotions to isolate themselves, so that they can do this inner work, so that they could spiritually grow up, so that they could see things from different and broader perspective. So maybe there's been a stalemate between the both of you, because the divine wants, the divine, this is what the divine wants. The universe wants for the divine masculine to ascend, to be worthy of this sacred connection. See, because in the past, they were not ready. They were not ready for this journey. They were not ready to step into their role as the divine masculine. I feel like. But I don't know. Divine feminine, did you do something reckless or impulsive? Did you break your silence for some of you? Because what you needed to do is to stay put. Not to do anything. To allow the divine masculine to give them space to grow up, to spiritually ascend. So I don't know, did you do something impulsive, reckless? Did you communicate? For some of you, you were supposed to stay put, not to do anything, not to budge. You needed to do that. You needed to give the choice or the decision. It wasn't you who needed to make this decision or choice. It was the divine masculine. You were to stay put. That's why you are in Empress reverse, in reverse here. You didn't trust. You didn't, I don't know, divine, I mean, what did you do? Tell me in the comments. Okay, what did you do recently? So now, or I don't know, it wasn't you. It wasn't you. The decision, it had to come from the divine masculine. with the Four of Pentacles here. They had to overcome something. Fears, their fear for some of you. Because they were holding on to something. Something or someone for some of you. Maybe they had to overcome their fear. I don't know. Their insecurity for some of you. Four of Pentacles. This could be selfishness, materialism, greediness, possessiveness, whatever it was that they were holding on to. It was something that they had to work on their own. It was part of, them growing up. They had to do it on their own. They have to. I'm not scolding you. Well, we all have our weak moments, right? Yeah. Yeah. So Divine Feminine, in the past, you were co-creating with the universe. This is something that you want. This is something that the universe had asked you to cooperate. To cooperate with them. You were manifesting with the universe. Until you stopped. That's why the Empress had become in the reverse. We saw earlier, you are an Empress. But you are in reverse now. Because maybe you did something. So let me see that again. Yeah. So that's why you have to give up on the Divine Masculine. Stop putting the work in. Stop giving energy. Stop. Just stop. If you want your wishes fulfilled. Stop. If you want to continue to co-create with the universe. If you don't want to make this harder. You've done a lot of work on yourself and now you failed. It's not a failure. It's a step back. You can easily recover from this if you stop now. Stop. Don't do anything. When it comes to this connect, at least at this time, don't do anything at this time. Let the divine, it's the Divine Masculine. They're the ones who have a lot of work to do. So if you fall behind, they also fall behind with you. But if you are strong, then they are going to energetically, you are going to be able to support them on their growth, and it's going to go faster. But if you are in the reverse here, how can you support them? So stop. So the advice for you, this is not you, this is the Divine Masculine. Five of Cups, regrets. So in the immediate future, they will be regretting. They will be in a lot of pain. They will not be able to move on from the past, from past hurts or past breakup. Let me see. They're in a lot of let's see, what's this? Yeah. They will regret losing, giving up on the person that they love, the person that made them happy, the person that emotionally fulfills them. I feel like, yeah, they will be in deep regrets. And they will be so unhappy, grieving, losing their Ten of Cups, their happily ever after. I feel like Because in the past, they went back to someone else from their past. I don't know, they went back to someone from their past. Could be a water sign. And they impulsively or recklessly ended it. I don't know if with someone else or if it's with the same person. Could be with someone else, maybe. Air sign doesn't have to be, especially on a twin flame, readings. But whatever the case may be, they went back to someone from their past. I feel like, let me see that again. Yeah, and then they and they ended it. And maybe yeah, they impulsively or recklessly ended it, either with the same person or with someone else. Yeah, they chose another direction for themselves. They chose an earth sign for some of you, or they chose to invest in someone else or something else. So let's see where this goes. Three of Cups. Oy, that's a lot. Five of Swords. 10 of Wands. 10 of Cups. Wow. Happily ever after. Divine Feminine. You found happiness on your own. You move on. Or not, really. I don't know. But you're okay on your own. You found, you're not emotionally codependent anymore. So let's see. Who is this? This could be you, Divine Feminine. So I don't know, maybe in the past, the Divine Masculine, they went back to you. And I don't know, they recklessly or impulsively ended it with someone else. Or is it the both of you? Maybe it's the both of you. Maybe the both of you have came came back together, but maybe it also ended badly, recklessly, impulsively. Some of you. But I don't know, maybe, I don't know. The Divine Masculine, they chose another direction for themselves, I feel like. Maybe with an earth sign for some of you. Yeah, or it could also be for some of you that maybe it had ended. Maybe the Divine Masculine had ended it with you because they wanted you to put the work in to chase them, for some of you. Because in the past, you were the one who was putting the work in, Divine Feminine. You went back to the divine masculine. Or I don't know, you were providing them with warmth. Something like that. You were the one putting the work in. I feel like. Because you didn't want to lose them. I feel like. So now or in the near future with the Three of Cups here, reconciliation, reunion. The energy is here. For a reconciliation and reunion in the near future. But I don't know. Because there's a feeling here that you have to be emotionally detached from this. Maybe you even have to walk away from this, even though it is something that you want. I feel like, let me see that again. Because, I don't know, Divine Feminine, with the Five of Swords here. I don't know, so that you can continue the facade. What is this? Are you asking the Divine Feminine to play mind games? It feels to me like, because again, they don't want you to move. They don't want you to move. They don't want you to do anything. You have to continue the lies, the mind games. This is funny. I thought this is a sacred journey. And what's with these mind games that they want you to do? Let's see why. Maybe they will tell us. Yeah, so that there could be peace. So that there could be peace. Let me see that again. This is so funny for me. So that there could be peace. I don't know. So that the lies could end, the mind games could end. Yeah, so that there could be peace. So that it could end as quickly as possible. But you will have to carry the burdens. You have to eat up your ego. You have to maybe even feel defeated. You have to stop yourself from taking an action to carry all that burdens, so that conflicts will be resolved. Wow. Because you did it already in the past. You've been carrying these burdens. You've been carrying these burdens because this is what was required of you to do, to carry all the burdens. Oh, poor you, Divine Feminine. So that dramas could be resolved. So that problems could be resolved. Problems that may even involve other people. So that the Divine Masculine would regret the past. Would regret losing you. And it's going to happen. So allow them. Allow them. Allow this to unfold, not to unfold naturally. Keep on doing what you have been doing. You've gone so far already. You've been carrying this just a bit more. See, don't do anything. It's hard. It's hard not to do anything because you miss them. But you have to continue so that this could be over as quickly as possible. I can't believe it. Twin flame journey. So toxic. Now you have to you have to continue the facade. This is funny for me. But you know, I guess the mean at this time, this is an exception to the rule because normally the end doesn't justify the means, right? But you know, the universe is asking you to do this, so I don't know. I don't know. So the outcome will be Eight of Cups and the Magician. This is the Divine Masculine walking away. They walk away already. They walk away from someone, I don't know who. They walked away. They've emotionally detached. Let's see where this goes. Because maybe they had other option for some of you. So they walk away to focus on their other option for some of you. Or them. Or some of you, Divine Masculine. Let's see, Seven of Cups. You also, Divine Feminine, you have other option. Which one first? The Hermit. Could be a Virgo. And the Sun could be a Leo. Or is it you, Divine Feminine, who walked away? I don't know, let's see. Seven of Wands. Okay. Yeah, they walk away. But there's a feeling here that this had to happen this way. It was, you know, the universe. It had to happen this way. They had to leave something behind. I feel like so that they could walk, so that they could get them, or so that the universe can get them in alignment to what is destined for them. It's the universe manifestation. So now or in the near future, the Divine Masculine, with the help of the universe, of course, is going to find their strength and their confidence because because of you emotionally detaching, of you divine feminine, emotionally detaching from them. Let me see where this goes because I'm getting another energy. But with the Seven of Cups here, divine feminine, you have other options, another option, or are you confused? You feel stuck. You're not going to be able to move forward here until you do this, Hermit. Either until you stop talking to someone, or to continue not to talk to someone, and also to do spiritual work, to go deep within yourself, to spiritually ascend. See, the sun is also about spiritual ascension. You have to do the work. Maybe maybe meditate more, whatever the case may be. You have to do the work, inner work, shadow work. You have to spiritually ascend. I feel like here it is again. You have to co-create with the universe. You have to listen to your spiritual guidance so that this can move forward. Because it's not going to move forward until you spiritually ascend. That's why you have to do this internal, inner work. You have to isolate yourself, not to talk to the divine masculine. This is the challenge. This is your challenge. This is your problem. You have to spiritually ascend. You have to cooperate with the universe. So in the past, I don't know, there was something that needed to get balanced. I don't know, divine feminine, you had to pay some karmic debts for some of you. I feel like maybe you've hurt someone, maybe a Leo. Maybe you've hurt a Leo for some of you. Whatever the case may be, the scales of karma had been tipped, and you owed some karmic debts. You had to pay some karmic debts, whether it's from this lifetime or from past lifetimes. I don't know, it's beyond this reading. It's just, there was something that you needed to pay to balance out your karma. Because you had a new beginning with the divine masculine. So maybe this is third party for some of you. So maybe you've hurt a Leo, as I said. Wow. Say that again. Yeah. You cannot move forward. You cannot have this spiritual ascension until your karma is balanced. That's why you need to do inner work, shadow work, to find the answers within you. How you can do that? How can you make it happen? And the universe, they want to make it happen for you. And you will find the answer deep within you. So you shouldn't let the divine master, be distracted. That's why they want you not to do anything. They want you to find the answers deep within you. You have about this karma thing. You have to realize something. And I kind of feel like it has something to do, part of it, part of the karma that you had to pay was for the divine masculine to walk away from you. Did I say that right? It was part of it. It was actually a help for you to balance your karma. You had to lose them. They had to walk away from you. Or vice versa. You have to walk away from them. I don't know. Maybe they had to leave you. And it was all part of the balancing of your karma. Yeah. They had to leave you behind. So you see, the divine masculine, the divine masculine had been cooperating with the universe. In the near future, they are still going to cooperate with the universe here. They have the strength to do it. If not, they will find the strength to do it. Maybe they will be the one to walk away from you because they will find the strength. Because maybe you are not, because you did something. So now the divine masculine will have to find the strength to walk away from you. I feel like because you're confused. You're stuck. You're confused and you're stuck until you find the answers within yourself, until you understand, you gain the wisdom, until you spiritually ascend. Wow, this is such a big challenge for you, divine feminine. I wish I could help you. Let me see. Well, the good news is the divine is helping you. So trust in that. Meditate, meditate, meditate. Don't do anything. Don't talk to the divine masculine. Don't go towards them. Let them come to you. If they will. Because as I said, currently, what's being manifested is for them to walk away from you. In the past, it was you who had to walk away. But apparently, you do not have the strength to do that. Failed. I know, sorry. Well, let's face the truth. We all have our moments of weaknesses, right? So don't beat yourself up to it. It's not too late. It's not, nothing is lost. We learn from our mistake. So now you will be stronger to do what is being asked of you to do. Right? Yeah. Yeah. So, Divine Feminine. That's what I have for you. So, if you feel this energy of reconciliation, if you feel the energy of like you wanting to go back to the Divine Masculine, missing them, focus somewhere else, meditate, go deep within yourself. If you don't meditate, pray or isolate yourself, be alone. It will pass. Let it pass. Don't hang on to that feeling. Let it pass. It will. Because remember, the universe is helping you. So, if you don't pray, you don't meditate, then just remember, hang on to the idea or fact that the universe is helping you. It will pass quickly. Yeah. So that's it. That's it. Twin Flames, that's what I have for you for this week. See you next time. Bye. See you next week. Bye.